La 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 la. All right. Well, back at it again. All right, let's see what actually came up. Insanity. Well, at least nothing else has moved. Let's see what we got here. So it looked like it moved back up. Moved down a bit. All right. Complete insanity. So it came up here, faked a little bit. And in the last 30 seconds, looks like it, ooh, my VIX is down. Nice. Somebody will watch it. Somebody will find it, right? Right? Of course they will. Of course they will. Complete. Complete. Looking, waiting, watching. I got my live ready to go now. That's crazy. I can't believe it actually got up there and went off. I'm gone. Praise and what's up, One Life? I just had a little power poot out. Took me about 30 minutes to get back live. So appreciate you for being the first one to come back to the stream. It was definitely a nasty little power outage. But it's whatever. I haven't taken any trades anyway. The only thing I'm currently in is VIXY, which I'm planning on adding to if it comes down a little lower. I started this position yesterday, very small position, but I'm looking for some more to the downside to play against the SPY. So the bottom down here is the 2107, which is where I'm looking. It needs to come down maybe another 50 cents or so, and I'll start to add. Because if you look at these past days, these pops back up have been about $5 on each pop back up. So that's what I'm looking at. But anyway, VIXY, like that downwards movement. Looking for about 50 cents. If it can go down 50 cents, I'll add one share. One share. Goes down $1, I'll add about 10. ADTX was the only mover, the only other mover that we saw moving today before my stream shut down. It did end up popping over this high. It does have a shelf registration. It was a very weird trader up in here in these first 15 to 30 minutes. And then it kind of gave a little pop, but I'm expecting it to go down and kind of trade within a range here. So I'm not expecting too much on it. Still looking for the low floats though. We will see. Let me look at RGC. Where did that end up continuing down? Nope, came back up a little bit. Could not hold. Ooh, look at that huge topping tail there on RGC. At least it has more volume than it had last time when it was up, but now it's red on the day. Needs to get back above the 34.06 to be green on the day. That's a lot of work to do. So you think short term the SPY will correct after making a new high? No, 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 not short term. I'm gonna be holding that thing. I started this, but I'm swinging now. So I'm holding this position, looking for some more downward movement, and then maybe a pop. Maybe later on this week or later on next month or something. I'm gonna be holding these shares. So I'm looking for it to go low. I want the VIX. I want the SPY to continue to rise a little bit so I can add to this position. Let's see, SPY. That's why the position is so small, because I'm stupid conservative. Getting nice little green candles here. I'm looking for, once it's 50 cents, red 50 cents, I'll add a little bit. Just a little bit. 1 or 2 shares. Because I want to get down towards that $20 $20 average. Anyway, ADTX slowing down there. Will we see anything else other than RGC today? SPY coming down. Let me see where VIX is. Let me see where that VIX is. Kind of bottoming out down there. Do I want to add yet? I think I'm going to be patient and wait for it to get down into this level here. Yeah, but what I'm looking for, I'm not really looking for the SPY to drop. I just want to catch one of these bounces because I'm getting in on the low point. And each of these bounces, what I was looking at is about, let's say 30 to 40. That's a $10 jump, $5 jump. So at least $2, $2 to $5 or whatever. But I don't want to see this thing come back up. I want to see it continue down so I can buy some more down here around this level of the 21 on to the 20. That's what I'm looking for. I need that SPY to continue up a little bit today. At least it's staying in this channel. It has a low down here of the 447 for support. If the SPY runs too high, I'll just have to sell out of my position. I mean, if the SPY runs too low, I have to sell out of my position and re-enter lower. So resistance here. Got resistance over the top, 448 to 447. Nice little bounce there. ADTX popping up there. It's usually I think it's like monthly, I believe. So that's why I'm trying to hold these over a long period. Cause I just want to catch that quick pop. That's all I want. Once this thing hits 50 cents, which is 50 cents down would be 21.30. So I might need to put something in there to catch that. VIX. $21 limit. So limit 21.25. I'll be making my way on in there. 21.25. How about one? If it can get down, let's see. Yeah, that's a nice little move down. Put that limit order in there. Way down there. Just collecting a little bit off the bottom. ADTX. Looking like it wants to go either way. Got up. Has this red candle here. Has consolidated a little bit. We'll have to see if it can hold up. Actually, it's still quite a bit of ways off of this 9 EMA. Adder. It's always doing something. Let's see if Adder has any kind of shelf registrations. Never held longer than a day. Yeah, well, I'm collecting on the bottom. We'll see how it goes for a pop-up. Adder. Adder has a no shelf registrations. Definitely looking better than the other guy. What's the float on Adder? Float on Adder is looking like and by the way, for you guys that just jumped in, I did have a little bit of a power surge here. Knocked me out for a couple of minutes, but it's all good. I didn't see anything I would have traded anyway. Adder just popped up on the scanner. Adder has 24.15 million in the float. Let's see what kind of news it has. It has investigations. PC announced investigations of array technology. Yeah, it's going through some investigations, so we'll be careful on that. See if this thing can get down to that 21.25 level, and I'll be adding down there on the VIXY drop. 21.25 is where I'm sitting right now.